We're diving into the world of cutting-edge gadgets that you can get your hands on right now. From smart home solutions to portable tech that'll level up your lifestyle, we've got you covered. Whether you're looking for innovative wearables, smart home upgrades, or the latest accessories, this list has something for everyone. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details on each of these awesome gadgets. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into the top 20 tech gadgets you need in your life. First on our list, we've got the X Real Air AR glasses. These are a game changer when it comes to augmented reality. With a sleek design, these smart glasses let you project a 130-inch virtual screen wherever you go. Whether you're gaming, working, or watching movies, you can immerse yourself in a virtual environment. They support both iOS and Android, so no matter your device, you're covered. Imagine watching your favorite Netflix show on a personal cinema screen anytime, anywhere. Next up is the Rokid Air AR smart glasses. These are perfect for anyone who wants a balance of form and function. The Rokid Air offers crystal clear AR visuals with a lightweight and comfortable fit. Plus, it's compatible with various devices and supports voice commands for a truly hands-free experience. With dual 1080 pixels displays, you can take your productivity to the next level by working with multiple virtual screens. It's like having an entire workstation in front of you without the clutter. For all you VR enthusiasts, the Bobover M2 Pro is the accessory you never knew you needed. Designed for the Oculus Quest 2, this head strap features a built-in battery which doubles your playtime. Not only does it make long VR sessions more comfortable, but you also won't have to worry about your battery dying in the middle of an intense game. The ergonomic design evenly distributes the weight of the headset, reducing pressure on your face, so you can stay immersed in VR longer without feeling the strain. Now, let's fly high with the Lenovo Z101 drone. This compact drone is perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots. It comes with a 4K camera and advanced stabilization features, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned drone pilots alike. Whether you're filming action shots or just exploring the skies, this drone is both fun and functional. With GPS-enabled return-to-home technology, you'll never have to worry about losing your drone, even if it flies out of range. Peace of mind for your flights. Next, we have the Xiaomi Mijia Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This little device takes cleaning to the next level with its intelligent mapping system, making sure no corner of your home is left untouched. You can control it via an app and even schedule cleaning sessions when you're not at home. It comes with a powerful suction system and long-lasting battery, meaning less maintenance for you and a cleaner home with minimal effort. Next up, the Xiaomi Solar Power Bank Portable. This beast of a power bank not only packs a ton of power, but also comes with solar charging, making it perfect for all your outdoor adventures or emergency situations. With this much capacity, you can charge your devices multiple times before ever needing a recharge. It's the ideal companion for camping trips, road journeys, or even just an extended day out. Never run out of power again with this eco-friendly solution. We have the sleeping mask with Bluetooth sleep headphones. This gadget is perfect for those who want to combine comfort with convenience. Enjoy your favorite soothing sounds or podcasts as you drift off to sleep, all while keeping the light out. The soft, breathable fabric makes it ideal for long flights or light-sensitive sleepers. Get the ultimate sleep experience wherever you are. Security meets convenience with the Reolink 2K Plus Video Doorbell. This smart outdoor camera captures crystal clear video, allowing you to monitor your home with ease. Whether it's Wi-Fi or PoE, this doorbell is packed with options to keep your home safe, and with its 2K Plus resolution, you won't miss a single detail. The smart notifications let you know exactly who's at your door wherever you are. Stay connected and secure your home in the smartest way possible. For all the creatives out there, the one by Wacom CTL472 digital graphic tablet is a must-have. This budget-friendly yet highly capable drawing tablet is perfect for both beginners and pros who want to take their digital art to the next level. With pressure sensitivity and precision, your sketches, edits, and designs will come to life. Unleash your creativity with a tool that feels as natural as pen on paper. Next, we have the Xiaomi Smart Pen 2nd Generation. Whether you're taking notes doodling or working on professional designs, this smart pen offers precision and fluidity like never before. With enhanced features, it pairs seamlessly with Xiaomi tablets and other devices, making it a versatile tool for productivity and creativity. Work smarter and create effortlessly with this upgraded pen. Next, we have the Ausec S81TRW action camera. Whether you're an adventurer or someone who loves capturing memories, this little powerhouse is your perfect companion. With 4K video resolution and an ultra-wide 170-degree lens, it's built for action. You can capture crystal clear footage while hiking, swimming, or even biking. Plus, it comes with a waterproof case, so no worries if things get a little wet. Next on the list is the Thundeal TD80W mini projector. This portable projector turns any blank wall into your own private theater. It supports Full HD and has multiple connectivity options like HDMI, USB, and Wi-Fi, making it ideal for movie nights, gaming sessions, or even presentations. Despite its small size, it delivers big, sharp visuals with impressive brightness. Now, let's talk about the Xiaomi Mi portable photo printer. If you love capturing moments and want them printed instantly, this gadget is a must-have. It connects wirelessly to your phone, allowing you to print photos on the go in a matter of seconds. The prints are compact, vivid, and smudge-proof, perfect for scrapbooks, photo albums, or even personalized gifts. Moving on, we've got the Ugreen Dual HDMI USB hub. If you're working from home or need to expand your laptop's connectivity, this hub is a game changer. With dual HDMI ports, USB 3.0 SD card slots, and more, this gadget lets you connect up to 2 monitors and a bunch of peripherals in one go. No more plugging and unplugging devices, it's perfect for streamlining your workflow. We have the Avado Portable Wireless Bluetooth 5.1 Folding Keyboard. This sleek foldable keyboard connects to your devices via Bluetooth and offers an ergonomic typing experience on the go. It's compatible with smartphones, tablets, and even laptops, making it perfect for remote work or traveling. Plus, with its ultra-thin design, it can fit right into your pocket or bag. We've got the Baseus 25 watts 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger stand. This sleek gadget lets you charge both your phone and AirPods simultaneously. It's perfect for those who want a clutter-free desk setup. The magnetic stand allows your phone to float securely, all while delivering fast wireless charging. Plus, its compact design means it won't take up too much space. Next on our list is the Sunoff ZB Bridge Pro Smart Zigbee Gateway Hub. If you're looking to build a smart home, this hub is essential. It connects your Zigbee devices like sensors, lights, and switches to your home network, enabling seamless automation and voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant. This gateway hub ensures stable and efficient communication between your devices, even when the internet is down. Third on our list is the Uthai Magnetic Levitation Bluetooth Speaker Astronaut. It's not just a speaker, it's a conversation starter. This speaker uses magnetic levitation to make the astronaut hover while delivering 360-degree high-quality sound. Whether you're playing music or using it as a cool home decor piece, it's bound to impress anyone who sees it. Next up is the Zigbee Tuya Smart Smoke Detector Sensor. Safety first, right? This smart smoke detector instantly notifies you on your phone if it detects smoke, even when you're not home. It works with your smart home hub, so you can automate it to trigger alarms or notifications. It's a must-have for anyone who values safety and wants to protect their home from potential fire hazards. Last but definitely not least, the Xiaomi Wireless A11 Camera Mini. This small but powerful security camera delivers crystal clear footage directly to your phone. It's perfect for monitoring your home or office, and with its wireless capabilities, you can easily install it anywhere. Plus, it supports night vision, so you can keep an eye on things 24/7, even in the dark. These tech gadgets that are available right now to level up your daily life. Whether you're into smart home automation, portable tech, or just love futuristic gadgets like AR glasses and wireless charging stands, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to check the description for links to all the products mentioned in this video. If you found something you liked, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech content, and ring that bell so you never miss out on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.